Hugh Jackman. You know him as the iconic Wolverine, the man who's managed to stay in ridiculously good shape for decades. But how is it that, at the age of 56, he's still shredded, strong, and seemingly ageless? Is it magic? A secret formula? Or does Hugh Jackman have a key to staying fit and youthful that anyone can follow? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain and expose exactly how he maintains his rock-solid physique. It's not just about grueling workouts, it's about the food he doesn't eat. That's right, Hugh Jackman avoids 4 specific foods that most people eat every day. And trust me, these simple diet choices have played a massive role in him staying in killer shape. So if you want to know how to age like a Hollywood star, keep watching. Because what we're about to reveal might just change the way you look at your diet, your health, and your longevity. And if you missed our previous video on Bruce Lee's secrets to staying ageless, make sure to check it out after this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. The power of consistency. Before we dive into what Hugh Jackman never eats, let's take a quick look at his perspective on aging. In interviews, Jackman often talks about how fitness isn't a short-term thing. You can't rush it, he says. He's learned that the key to his longevity isn't just about working out hard for a few months. It's about staying consistent over the years. What does that mean for us? Well, consistency is everything when it comes to maintaining your health and physique, regardless of age. At 56, Jackman feels stronger, healthier, and more agile than ever. He says he's learned to maintain his physique, not just work for it. And part of that maintenance is avoiding foods that could derail his health. Now let's talk about those 4 foods. Fried foods and greasy meals, the fuel that slows you down. You've had those days when you just crave greasy food, right? A burger, fries, maybe some deep-fried chicken. It's hard to resist, but here's the reality. Hugh Jackman never gives in to fried foods. Why? Because fried and greasy foods slow you down. They make you feel sluggish, bloated, and tired. If you're someone who wants to keep moving and stay agile, whether it's in the gym or just living your day-to-day life, you need to avoid foods that weigh you down. Fried foods are loaded with unhealthy fats that are hard for the body to digest. This not only impacts how you feel physically, but can also mess with your metabolism. And when your metabolism is sluggish, your ability to burn fat diminishes. That's a problem if you want to maintain a lean physique and have the energy to crush your workouts like Jackman does. For Jackman, keeping his body lean and agile is a priority. That means avoiding foods that promote fat gain and hinder his performance. He chooses clean, lean foods that keep him light and ready to take on the next challenge. Dairy, not so essential, after all. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Hugh Jackman avoids dairy. This is a big one for many people because dairy is often considered an essential part of a healthy diet. But for Jackman, dairy causes more problems than it's worth. You see, dairy can cause digestive issues like bloating, gas, and mucus buildup. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can seriously mess with your energy, your ability to perform in the gym, and your overall well-being. Jackman's focus on digestive efficiency means cutting out dairy, which helps his body stay light, energized, and free of discomfort. If you're someone who deals with bloating or digestive issues after eating dairy, it might be time to rethink how essential it really is. Jackman's diet is a reminder that sometimes what's marketed as essential isn't really necessary for everyone. Your body might thrive better without it, just like his does. Highly processed and fast foods, a one-way ticket to weight gain. Let's talk about processed foods. This includes pre-packaged meals, fast food, and anything with artificial ingredients and preservatives. These are the foods that most of us grab when we're in a hurry or don't want to cook. They're quick, easy, and convenient, but they don't do your body any favors. Hugh Jackman knows this all too well. That's why he stays far away from processed foods. Why? Because they're loaded with unhealthy fats, excessive sodium, and empty calories. These foods provide little to no nutritional value and can lead to weight gain, bloating, and even long-term health issues. For Jackman, avoiding processed foods is all about making sure his body gets real, nutrient-dense food. He focuses on whole foods that support muscle growth, recovery, and overall health, and he doesn't waste time or calories on anything that's not going to give him maximum benefits. Hugh Jackman's eating philosophy. So, if Jackman avoids these foods, what does he eat? The answer is simple. He eats foods that support his physique and overall health. Here's a quick breakdown of Jackman's eating principles. Protein. First, Jackman emphasizes lean proteins like chicken, fish and eggs to support muscle growth and repair. His body needs these proteins to recover from intense workouts and build lean muscle mass. Controlled carbohydrates. Jackman doesn't completely eliminate carbs, but he's very mindful about when and how he eats them. He focuses on complex carbs like sweet potatoes and brown rice and consumes them mostly around workouts for energy. After 3 p.m, he goes carb-free to help his body burn fat more efficiently. Frequent smaller meals. Jackman eats frequent smaller meals throughout the day to maintain high energy levels and avoid overeating. This also keeps his metabolism running at a steady pace. Hydration. Staying hydrated is a top priority for Jackman. He drinks plenty of water to support muscle recovery, digestion, and overall performance. Vegetables for vitality. Jackman's diet is rich in vegetables, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. He knows that to stay healthy and strong, his body needs a wide range of nutrients from natural sources. Hugh Jackman's supplement routine. While food is Jackman's main source of nutrients, he also takes a few key supplements to support his fitness journey. Pre-workout. To fuel his workouts, Jackman uses a pre-workout supplement to boost energy and performance. Creatine. During bulking phases, Jackman uses creatine to help build muscle mass. BCAA's branched chain amino acids help Jackman preserve muscle mass, especially when training in a fasted state. Carnitine. When cutting down, Jackman uses carnitine to help his body metabolize fat more effectively. Hugh Jackman's workout routine. Hugh Jackman doesn't just eat clean, he works hard in the gym to maintain his shredded physique. His workout routine is intense and varied, focusing on building strength, endurance and agility to keep his body in top shape at 56.5. 5 days of weight training. Jackman follows a 5-day split targeting different muscle groups each day to ensure balanced development and avoid overtraining. Here's a breakdown of his weekly workout. Chest and shoulders. Jackman's focus here is building upper body strength using exercises like the barbell bench press and dumbbell shoulder press. Legs and abs. He works on strengthening his legs and core with back squats, leg presses, and core exercises like leg raises and sit-ups. Back and biceps. For his back and biceps, Jackman does dumbbell rows, pull-ups, and bicep curls, enhancing both muscle size and endurance. Arms. Jackman works his arms with dips, tricep pushdowns, and barbell curls to keep his arms strong and defined. Core strength. Core exercises like deadlifts, planks, and Romanian deadlifts help Jackman maintain a strong, stable core, which is crucial for all his physical activities. Cardio and active recovery. Even on rest days, Jackman stays active with light cardio such as walking or stretching. This helps maintain flexibility, improve circulation, and promote faster recovery. It's a key part of his overall fitness routine, keeping his body in peak condition while preventing injuries. Jackman's focus on both weight training and recovery ensures that he stays shredded and maintains his high energy levels, making it clear that a balanced approach is essential for long-term fitness. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the 4 foods Hugh Jackman never eats and how he maintains his incredible physique at 56. His approach is simple yet powerful. Eat whole, nutrient-dense foods, avoid the processed junk, and stay consistent with both diet and training. By following these principles, you can start to see real changes in your health, fitness, and energy levels. If you want to know more about how to stay ageless and achieve your fitness goals, make sure to check out our previous video, where we dive deep into Bruce Lee's ageless secrets. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, And share this video with anyone who's ready to level up their fitness. And remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep going, keep training, and stay consistent.